how to make guaranteed abs quickly. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 top exercises that will transform your abdominal muscles and help you attain your dream six-pack. If you want washboard abs but lack the time to learn multiple complex moves, you're in luck. With just 2 exercises and the right technique, you can sculpt your core effectively. Plus, as you progress, you can modify them to increase the intensity. Doing endless crunches won't get you there. Genetics play a role, but the right exercises matter more. I'm not talking about doing hundreds of basic planks and crunches. There are highly effective variations you should include. Wondering if the walking plank works or if the bicycle crunch is worth adding? Stick around until the end, where I'll reveal my top favorite exercise for a stronger core. First one is planks. That is among the most effective core strengthening exercises. This move needs to maintain a straight, aligned posture resembling a rigid wooden plank. Personally, I find planks both enjoyable and beneficial. They support not just the core but also the hips, lower back, and overall body balance. Their qualities make them a nail in various disciplines, including yoga, boxing, and sports like hockey, cricket, and football. Integrating planks into your routine offers multiple benefits, such as improved posture, flexibility, and overall muscle activation. Let's explore these benefits in detail. Here are some key benefits of planks' improved posture. If you experience back stiffness from prolonged sitting, planks can be a game changer. They strengthen your back, chest, shoulders, neck, and abs, making it easier to maintain an upright posture. A strong core prevents bending and supports a neutral spine while sitting or standing. A stronger core. The core consists of the spine, pelvis, shoulder bones, and various joints. A well-developed core improves performance in exercises and daily activities. Planks strengthen the 4 essential muscle groups in your core, making them an invaluable workout choice. It increased flexibility. While planks are primarily a strengthening exercise, they also improve flexibility. Holding the position stretches the hamstrings and arches the feet. Side planks in particular are excellent for stretching the obliques and improving lateral flexibility. Helps in full-body muscle activation planks contend not just the core but also the arms, legs, and entire body. Unlike exercises that isolate muscles, planks create a compound effect, making them a complete workout choice. How to perform a plank. Use an exercise mat for comfort. Get into the plank position, face down with forearms and toes on the floor. Keep elbows directly under shoulders and forearms forward, with your head relaxed and eyes focused downward. Engage your core, keeping your torso straight in a neutral spine position. Assure your shoulders remain down, not creeping toward your ears. Hold for 10 seconds if you're a beginner, slowly increasing to 30 to 60 seconds over time. There are 6 best plank variations for sculpting. Six-pack abs. Number 1, side plank. Instead of using both arms, support your body on one forearm to work each side separately. This variation improves balance and strengthens the core workout. To perform, lie on your side with your feet together, propped up on one forearm. Keep your elbow directly under your shoulder. Engage your core and lift your hips, forming a straight line from head to feet. Hold for the allotted time before switching sides. Number 2, reverse plank. This variation flips the standard plank, targeting both the front and back of the body. It's common in yoga and enhances core engagement. To perform, sit with legs extended and hands placed behind your hips, fingers pointing towards your body. Lift your hips and torso, keeping your body in a straight line. Look upward, relax your neck, and hold for 30 seconds before lowering. Number 3. Walking plank. Also known as the up-down plank or commando plank, this variation involves transitioning from a high plank to a forearm plank, engaging multiple muscle groups. Stay tuned for more on how this move boosts core activation. The walking plank targets not only your core, but also your triceps, shoulders, and lower back. Begin in a standard plank stance with your palms flat on the floor, arms straight, and hands below your shoulders. Engage your core as you lower your left elbow to the ground, followed by your right. You'll remain in a plank position supported by your elbows during this phase. Hold this position before pressing your left palm into the ground to rise back into a high plank. For an even more intense AB workout, try the bear plank. It really activates your entire core, including deeper abdominal muscles and spinal muscles. Suitable for everyone from beginners to seasoned athletes, start on all fours with your hands flat and your knees bent at 90 degrees, your toes on the ground, and your shoulders aligned over your wrists. Shift your weight forward until your chest and shoulders feel the pressure, and lift your knees so they hover just above the ground. Hold this position for 20 to 60 seconds while maintaining steady breathing. Next, the plank shoulder tap is a variation that enhances core strength while placing a challenge on your arms and shoulders. Start in a high plank with arms extended, ensuring your body forms a straight line from ankles to shoulders. Lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder, then return it and alternate sides. The plank jack merges core strengthening with cardio. Start in the plank position on your forearms and toes. Jump your legs outward, then back together, similar to a jumping jack, ensuring your core remains tight throughout. Repeat as many times as possible in 1 minute, resting for 30 seconds before repeating. Next, I'm talking about crunches that is really very important. Crunches are a timeless bodyweight exercise that primarily targets the abdominal muscles, part of your core, which includes your abs, obliques, and other supporting muscles in your pelvis and back. Strengthening these muscles helps stabilize your body during daily activities and can reduce back pain, improve posture, and boost cardiovascular health. To perform a crunch, lie on your back with knees bent, hands behind your head or across your chest. Engage your core, lift your ribs towards your pelvis, exhaling as you come up. Hold briefly before lowering back down and aim for 15 to 20 repetitions. However, achieving a six-pack requires more than endless crunches. Here are several effective variations. V-crunch. This exercise works multiple core areas and challenges your balance. Lie on your back, raise your legs and torso off the floor, then pull your knees in while raising your torso, arms extended forward before returning to the starting position. Side lying crunch. This targets the obliques. Lie on your side with your legs stacked, and as you lift your elbow towards the ceiling, focus on engaging your side abs. Exercise ball crunch. Using a Swiss ball can amplify your range of motion. Sit on the ball, walk your feet forward, and allow the ball to roll to your lower back. Crunch upwards while contracting your abs. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back, knees bent, and perform a cycling motion with your legs while alternating elbow touches to the opposite knee, focusing on core engagement. Vertical leg crunch. With your legs lifted perpendicular to the floor, engage your abs to lift your shoulder blades off the ground, then lower back down. Seated knee tuck. This is ideal for working your upper and lower abs. Sit on the floor with legs extended and hands beside you. Lean back slightly and bring your knees toward your chest, then extend your legs without touching the ground. Finally, consider including back extensions, which can be done on the floor or a Roman chair. This exercise strengthens your back and balances your overall physique. Lie face down, lift an opposite arm and leg a few inches off the ground, hold, and repeat on the other side. Achieving a six-pack is just one part of a balanced fitness routine. Consider exploring various exercises, including push-ups, to fully develop your body.